In this case, then we partnered with SABF to capacitate their members. This is the company to develop their own export marketing plan.
I can assure you that we will still be having a more individualized attention for each and every. We've already identified and seen their opportunities for each and every one of you and what are the stumbling blocks and how we can curate a solution as a collective.
Online business, which I was fortunate enough to build myself.
So this speaker hall is an old speaker. It's for that whole package.
What I'd like to know is how you're going to differentiate yourself within the export market.
I mean, 15 years in business, I think I've been playing it small. I am done.
Our big prize, 30,000 Rand, is going to Hannah Grace.
I said your dreams must be so big, they scare you. So this is a dream. And I just want to thank all of you.
As the SAB, we continue to commit to making sure that as you journey on this very complex export journey, we are going to walk this path with you.
We hope this program is going to help them to fly South African products high in different markets.